It does say Tristan Sanders on the,
It says Tristan Weather here on the complaint.
okay, yes, and I believe that is his name, but on the bond conditions, it's stated as Tristan Sanders.
I don't want you to have contact with this person. Do you understand?
Tristan Sanders, Your Honor, or Tristan Weathers?
Weathers.
So first things first, if you didn't watch that opening clip, rewind right now, go watch it, because you'll need that context to fully understand what we're going to talk about going forward. Hey there, welcome to the Courtroom Files. So this clip comes from Judge Fleisher's court, and we caught part of it in this morning's live stream, but I wanted to go back and capture the whole thing because this gentleman's behavior really had the deputies on edge. Normally, Judge Fleisher's court is really chill, but Deputy Ichigoin followed this guy right from the start, and Deputy Miranda came in partway through, and both of them kind of had to look like they were ready to tackle him at a moment's notice. Clearly, the guy has some challenges. I don't think ultimately he was necessarily a harm, but he was definitely acting weird. So take a look at it. Let us know what you think in the comments. Please do consider putting a like on the video if you enjoy it. Also consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. And let's go ahead and roll the game film.
Right, stuff right there. Everything right there. Just whatever. Put everything right there. Down right here in front of the judge. Hands out of your pocket.
So Jones, what time does court start?
What was that, sir?
What time does court start?
It starts at, I believe, at 8:30, Your Honor. I deal with the mental MH
Try to get here on time.
I will.
Not only that, this is now your second PR bond.
Yes, sir.
If you
Obviously.
fail to appear one more time, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand? We don't continue to give PR bond after PR bond after PR bond after PR bond. We don't do that.
Absolutely.
Okay. You're charged with theft,
Yes, sir.
facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Absolutely.
On February 11th, 2025, at approximately 4:48 p.m., an officer met with the complainant, who is the supervisor for a roofing company. The complainant stated the defendant is a friend and had been working with the company for about a week. The complainant stated that on February 11th at 8 a.m., the defendant was supposed to be at a job but never showed. The complainant called the defendant, and the defendant stated he was at the hospital but would not give the complainant the location of where he was at currently. The defendant eventually met up with the complainant to give him the keys to the company vehicle, and the defendant's employment was terminated. The complainant pulled over and did an inventory search of the vehicle and noticed tools and equipment went missing. The complainant called the defendant and asked where the tools and equipment were, and the defendant stated he removed them so his girlfriend would not take them. The complainant called the defendant multiple times to get the tools, but the defendant blocked his calls and did not answer. The total value stolen was $2,000. The complainant stated 6 hours passed attempting to contact the defendant, and the officer tried to contact the defendant, and the defendant did not answer. The officer ran the defendant's information given by the complainant, and the complainant positively identified him by a photograph.
Mr. Jones, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with the complaining witness in this case and not to be in possession of weapons. Do you understand?
I do not. Because I don't know who the witness is. What is their name?
Person that you were working for at the construction company that gave you the car.
What was their name, Honor, please?
Tristan Weathers.
Tristan Weathers? Well, on my paperwork, it says Tristan Sanders. I don't know who Tristan Sanders is. So Tristan Weathers and Tristan Sanders are two different people.
I'll file under bond conditions as Tristan Weathers. I'm not sure. I can look. See if there's already.
I will show the paper. Oh,
Nothing on your
paperwork.
pocket, sir.
Yes, sir. This is paperwork. Say his name
When
on
the
it.
judge requests it, nothing comes out.
It does say Tristan Sanders on the,
It says Tristan Weather here on the complaint.
Oh, okay, yes, and I believe that is his name, but on the bond conditions, it's stated as Tristan Sanders.
I don't want you to have contact with this person. Do you understand?
Tristan Sanders, Your Honor, or Tristan Weathers?
Weathers.
It said Tristan Sanders on the thing, so I'm
I'm
confused.
telling you now, I don't want you to have contact with the complaining witness in this case, whoever it may be.
No problem. He's on parole for 60 years. I don't even want to go around the guy. Yes, sir. But on the paperwork, it says Tristan Sanders, and they have that property. But my lawyer, Val Zubini, is going to talk to you or talk to you, represent me. It's just so much stuff, and I'm dealing with, I suffer PTSD PTSD, and I'm hyper. So I'm just trying to take in all the emotions. I'm not mad at you, Your Honor. I apologize for being late to court. I was in the Navy, and I've been in the penitentiary. So I duly apologize.
Relax.
Yes, sir.
No one's going to do anything to you here.
Yes, sir.
The only thing I want is I want my city protected.
Yes,
And
sir.
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect it. I want you to understand that. Do not pick up any new cases.
Yes, sir.
Be nice to everybody that you go around.
Absolutely.
Because if you're not, it's probably not going to go well. Exercise patience
Absolutely.
and things will go well for you.
Absolutely. It has. Thank you.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, or would you like to apply for a court-appointed lawyer?
As of right now, you can give me a court appointed, but I'm going to hire Val Zogini. But Val, I just due to the simple fact, I'm trying to get a protective order. That's why I was late last time, because my
Just don't talk. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say, they're going to use it against you. So it's best not.
That's
I'll
cool.
provide you a lawyer today.
It's true.
Tell everything that you want to say to the lawyer, and then they can come and talk to me if they need.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay? Just don't miss any court dates
Yes, Your Honor.
and stay in contact with the lawyer that we give you.
I have a question though. So the last time I came, I was my fiance.
You haven't come here.
Yeah,
This is the first time that you've come here.
correct. I'm incorrect. I came the last time at 12:30 because my ex-fiance had my cell phone. I talked to one of the ladies in the back, and I talked to her.
Hold on, Mr. Jones. I don't want you to say anything else. Let me give you a lawyer.
This is my second. I don't want you to know this is my second time coming. I came to court. I just came late.
It's not a big deal.
Yeah, I know.
Let me give you a lawyer. Just hang tight for me. Be patient, and then we'll find you someone, okay?
No problem. Thank you, sir.
Don't leave until you sign our bond conditions.
I'm not going anywhere, sir.
Good stuff.
Thanks.
Good for me.
Not yet. We need them to file. Oh, I already have them. I got them.
I talked to you last time.
Sign right here.
This is what I talked to right here.
We just need you to sign a reset real quick. You're good?
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, do please take a moment to like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video. We'd really appreciate that. And if you want to keep the fun going, check out the video on the screen right now.